In the metals quadrant today, looking at the March copper contract, we came off our 8-year highs. Small pullback, but it's not much of a pullback, finishing essentially unchanged today. On the downside, down about 60 basis points, 3.75. On the upside today, we were up about 52 basis points, again falling short of those 8-year highs, 379.20 on that price. But so far this week, this is still the second strongest week in copper we've seen in the last 8 months, up over 4%, only a few basis points behind the best week that we've seen for copper in those last 8 months. So still a very strong trend for the industrial metal. The dollar right now is slowed as well, not providing any direction really to copper, but seasonals are providing direction to copper. The dollar finished essentially unchanged, but starting with the second week of February, the seasonal patterns show strength through the first week of March. Now, you should never trade strictly on seasonals, but when you're talking about commodities, there are seasonal patterns, and this one is pretty strong. Not only is there strength in copper from a seasonal perspective, but it's the steepest move on the seasonality chart for the industrial metal. So keep an eye on that. It will be an almost natural tailwind if nothing else is going on. Could be that seasonality, and it's something that you should know about. Now, supply is always an issue. We talk about demand over and over again, but inventories have still not turned up from the 5-month lows that we saw last year in September. Mines are still having some issues recovering their production from pandemic slowdowns. And if the global economy were to really pick up steam, there could be supply shortages. This could be part of the reason that copper's essentially been up for 7 straight sessions.